Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me today. What I wanted to share with you today was just a quick little announcement in reminding you that this week is the last week that we have our sale, discount, and promotion for the Options Mastery, the Foundation, the Getting Started course. So if you're interested in that course, go to our website at tradersfly.com. And once you're there, you can scroll down and you can go ahead and see the course right there. Now, if you use coupon code STARTOPTIONS50, you can save $50. So go ahead, click the link, and you can see really what this course is all about. There's like a little video about 20 minutes long that gives you a good insight. It's 11 hours long for the course. And it's basically 36 videos, 11 hours of training. And if you take a look at this, basically we've been releasing different videos in different parts, and now all of it is actually released. So I don't think we missed any videos. And we basically are looking for people that are getting started. People are just getting going with options. If you're not sure about options, if you're unsure of what buying a call means, selling a call, how does it work, how does it function, looking at the risk profile pictures, the option chains, how time decay works, how to get filled and execute an option orders. So all of these things we'll get into the nitty gritty of the options world, so that way you have a really solid understanding in the basics of trading options. And then we'll get into some strategies, general basic strategies, not necessarily how to manage them fully. We go in that in more detail in our other courses that are maybe 20, 30 hours long. But things like, what is a covered call strategy and the basics of how to do one? What is a cash secured put strategy? What is selling a strangle? It's kind of like the basics to making money with options as a seller. Then we look at spreads, like a vertical, how to set up verticals, different types of option strategies, how to set up an iron condor, how to set up a butterfly. So different little constructions there, and really it'll get your feet wet. It'll give you a good solid foundation to trading options, not just like a 45-minute DVD. It's in-depth and really detailed. So if you're interested in getting that course, we do have that sale for $50 off. Just use that coupon code STARTOPTIONS50 right there to save $50 on the course. This is typically when we have the best deals going, and you can just go to our website at tradersfly.com and grab that course, or our course website really is Rise, the number 2, LEARN. That's where we have all our courses, so you go through and do the checkout there. So beyond that, if you're just looking for some freebies, feel free to check out the freebies section here. There's also some great books. You could see some of the other courses. You could check out the membership, or even one-on-one coaching. If you're struggling, you need some one-on-one attention, kind of like a piano teacher would help you out. Same thing here. We can just do a video session together and just learn a bit. If you're just getting started and you just want to dabble a little more in the options, check out the Getting Started page here with Options Trading 101. And there's like a guide, a freebie guide on videos that'll just kind of walk you through all the processes. So anyways, that's what I wanted to share with you today. And if you're interested in those things, definitely check that out. You can save a little bit of money here. And for the holidays, that expires kind of Christmas. So we made it so that way you can, remember it pretty easily. Christmas time, the deal sale kind of expires. And we've been doing it now for a couple weeks. So thank you so much for joining me. Hope you go ahead and purchase the course. I'll see you there. We're also going to do like a little webinar maybe in about a month to answer any other questions. So Q&As for people that have the course, or at least are, studying from us. So it'll be open to kind of the people that have purchased courses in the past, the options ones at least. Haven't decided if we're just going to do just for that course or for any other options courses as well. But definitely if you buy the course, you'll get access to that webinar, live webinar, where you can ask questions. So it's kind of like a little coaching, consultation, Q&A session. So that way you're not left hanging, because I know if you're getting started, you might have still quite a bit of questions. So anyways, check that course out. Links are going to be in the description. Feel free to grab some freebies, subscribe to the channel, check out other great videos. Totally appreciate you watching these videos, the channel, and definitely check out some of the other great videos we have on the channel if you want to just dabble around and look at a lot of the free things. I try to make the channel much more basics oriented. Yes, some of the videos are a little more advanced here and there, but the courses start getting more into kind of the intermediate and more detailed things. So you're looking at, if you're doing YouTube and you're watching only YouTube, you're looking at more basics. Sometimes we'll throw in like 10% might be more intermediate and advanced. 80-90% is probably beginner. When you get into the courses, you're starting to get more into intermediate. When we do mentoring and coaching, we're looking at more advanced and very detailed things, much more so, because then we can really specifically focus on you and get even more detailed into knowing and understanding where you're at. So I'm able to push people a little further that way. So anyways, thanks for joining me. Enjoy the week ahead, the holidays, happy holidays, Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, and the upcoming New Year as well. So I wish you a great year ahead, another fantastic year ahead. So we have a lot of great things planned for the year with new courses coming out and some other great ideas. So stay tuned. Thanks again for joining me. Thanks for being a part of the channel, the family, watching the videos, spending time, and I will see you in the course or maybe in another video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.